First of all, I want to pay respect and my heartiest thanks to Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who has come here and he has spent whole day sitting with us, and that is an indication that he is much concerned about the fishermen, fish farmers and this fishery sector. So I want to thanks to him and I pay respect that he accepted my invitation to be here and whole day he has spent. Number two, we have convened a 2-day workshop here to thank all of my stakeholders who are associated with the fishery sector, whether they are exporters, whether they are processors, where they are startups, where they are MSMEs, those all who has contributed a lot for promoting this export. And that's why we called them and gave a time. And because of all the initiatives which Prime Minister took, our fish production of this country has a 106% growth in production. And it has gone to 197.7 lakh ton from 95.8 lakh ton to 197.7 lakh ton. This is the production status after independence till 2014 and 11 years, 10 years of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the difference. In export also, which we are promoting, in export till 2014, the total export of this country was 30,213 crore only, 30,213 crore. And after all the initiatives of Honorable Prime Minister, in 2024-25, it went to 62,408 crore. This export was in 2024-25. And suddenly, you all are aware that suddenly in 2025, US imposed a heavy tariff. US imposed a heavy tariff on this marine products export. And because of that, whole nation was in a mood of shocking that what will happen to our seafood export, marine export. And I thanks to all my exporters and the stakeholders, we have started continuous dialogues with them. We motivated them. I remember that the first meeting was in Delhi and I told them that this is a challenge which has given by the US tariff. So accept this challenge and be prepared. And I am thankful to all my stakeholders, exporters, that in spite of all the challenges, in 2025-26, the export has gone 73,000 crore. Growth of about 11,000 crore. So this all happened because of the initiatives taken by our exporters and Honorable Prime Minister. Honorable Prime Minister also worked hard. And Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal ji is here. They work hard. And there were so many FTAs with different countries, free trade agreements, and our exporters went to those countries. Now you will be happy to know, and I called them because of this. Now 214 our exporters have been registered in different countries of the world like China, Japan, Malaysia, EU, UK. 214 exporters have been registered there and they got the market there. So today also we have organized a 2 days workshop that we have achieved the 73,000 crore in spite of all the challenges. But we want that this export should go to very much higher pitch because our exporters have got the market in different countries. Whole world is open. So we have organized this workshop to work on that, how to promote the exports in future. And we selected the place Visakhapatnam because Andhra Pradesh is contributing the largest share in the fish production, largest share in fish export. So we selected the Visakhapatnam, and that's why I invited Honorable CM to be here, because he has to take all the future initiatives in Andhra Pradesh to promote, and we have given a commitment that the government of India will do whatever Andhra Pradesh will require to promote the export and the production of the fish. That's all from my side. Yes, now there are two announcements. I requested Honorable Chief Minister that you provide a land, and National Fishery Development Board will have a regional office in Andhra Pradesh to promote the exports and fish productions. Honorable Chief Minister has announced that he will provide the land within 15 days. I am assuring him that within 1 month, NFDB will be here under your control to promote the fish sector, either export or production. The second thing, Kakinada is a harbor and very old harbor. So we have sanctioned 72.42 crores rupees to convert it and modernize it in a smart harbor at Kakinada, so that harbor landing centers and fish can land over there and exports can be promoted.